DirecTV versus Dish Network. Which satellite TV provider is better? Choosing the right satellite TV provider can transform your home entertainment experience without frustrating outages or limited channels. We'll explore DirecTV and Dish Network side by side. DirecTV and Dish Network are two leading satellite TV providers offering extensive channel lineups and nationwide coverage. The core difference lies in their channel packages, pricing structures, and technology features, which affect how you enjoy live TV and on-demand content. DirecTV is a satellite TV service known for its broad channel selection, including exclusive sports packages like NFL Sunday Ticket. It works by transmitting signals from satellites directly to a home-installed dish, providing HD and 4K content. DirecTV's strength lies in its strong sports offerings and user-friendly Jenny DVR system, which allows recording multiple shows simultaneously. However, it often comes with higher pricing and contract requirements that may not suit budget-conscious users. The service supports an intuitive app for streaming on mobile devices, enhancing flexibility. Limitations include occasional weather-related signal interruptions and less competitive pricing compared to some rivals. DirecTV is ideal for sports fans and households wanting premium channels with advanced DVR capabilities. Dish Network offers satellite TV with a focus on value and customizable packages. It delivers HD and 4K content via satellite dishes and is recognized for its Hopper DVR system, which supports commercial skipping and multi-room viewing. Dish's pricing tends to be more affordable with no mandatory contracts, appealing to flexible viewers. The service includes a wide variety of channels, though it lacks some exclusive sports content compared to DirecTV. Dish's app allows streaming on multiple devices, and its technology adapts well to rural areas with limited cable options. Limitations include fewer premium sports packages and occasional signal loss during severe weather. Dish Network suits budget-conscious customers and those who prefer contract-free satellite TV with strong DVR features. Comparing DirecTV and Dish Network reveals clear trade-offs. DirecTV excels in sports coverage and premium channel access, making it the go-to for avid sports watchers and users who want advanced DVR functionality. However, it comes at a high price and often requires contracts. Dish Network offers competitive pricing with no contracts and innovative DVR features like commercial skip, ideal for budget-savvy users and families wanting flexibility. Both providers face similar challenges with weather-related signal issues, but Dish tends to be more affordable overall. If exclusive sports content and robust DVR options are priorities, DirecTV stands out. For those seeking value and contract freedom, Dish Network provides a solid alternative. Choose DirecTV if you prioritize premium sports packages and advanced DVR features and are comfortable with higher costs and contract commitments. Opt for Dish Network if you want affordable satellite TV without contracts, combined with innovative DVR technology and a wide channel selection. Both providers deliver reliable satellite service, so your choice depends on your viewing preferences and budget priorities.